Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? How are you girls? Welcome to Manhal Schools for American Diploma in grade 7. Today, inshallah, you will study new lesson in math, which is the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. The distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. Let's go to coordinate plane and study on it. This coordinate plane, for example, I have 3 points on it. For example, this point, which is A, and this point, which is B, and I have another point, which is here, okay, which is called C. So today, inshallah, you will learn how to find the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. But first, you must know types of the distance on the coordinate plane. Distance between coordinate plane, guys, maybe horizontal distance, maybe vertical distance, and maybe inclined distance. Inclined distance. Okay. First, let's go to horizontal. Horizontal distance means what? Means distance between 2 points like x-axis. Horizontal. For example, here, distance between what and what? Yes, good. It's what? It's BC. Excellent. It's BC. BC here is horizontal distance because it's parallel to x-axis. How to find length of BC or horizontal distance between B and C? You can find it by two methods. The first method by counting. How counting? Count squares from B to C or from C to B, as you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So BC equals what? 8 by counting. Or you have another method. What's the other method? Okay, here what? Here is 12, here 13, but here is 5. So I can find the length of BC by 13 minus 5. It's easy. Okay, this horizontal distance. Then what about vertical distance? Vertical distance is the distance between 2 points like y-axis or parallel to y-axis. Okay, good. Okay, like what? Yes, good, like AB. Good, like AB. Good. So AB equals what? You can find it by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can find horizontal distance or vertical distance using counting. It's easy for everyone. Okay, but what about inclined distance? Inclined distance, like AC, like this one. How to find distance AC or line segment, length of line segment AC? Okay, you can notice that this triangle is what? Excellent. It is right angled triangle. So I can use, yes, Pythagorean theorem to find AC. Pythagorean theorem, yes, you study that. What's the Pythagorean theorem? Remind with me. Hypotenuse per 2 equals side per 2 plus other side per 2. So I can find inclined line, inclined distance per 2 equal vertical distance per 2, which is AB per 2, plus horizontal distance per 2, which is BC power 2. So I can find AC by Pythagoras theorem, which is square root of 8 power 2 plus 6 power 2. It will be 10. So I can find inclined distance using Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean theorem, okay? This inclined line or inclined distance. Okay, it's easy, inshallah. Okay, simple example for the distance between 2 points. The question here, what is the distance between points A and B? Okay, first, what about A and B? The distance between them may be horizontal, maybe vertical, maybe inclined. Huh? What's the distance between A and B? Yes, good, inclined. So if you want to find inclined distance, so you will need vertical and horizontal. Okay, so you will construct what? Right angled triangle. How? Tell me how. Okay. First, from A, I can draw from A horizontal distance or vertical distance, as you like. For example, I will draw horizontal distance from A to this point and from B to the same point. Okay? They must meet them. They must meet them. Okay. Then match AB. So now, how to find AB? Yes, good. First, you must find horizontal distance and vertical distance. Horizontal distance is 1, 2. So it will be 2. What about vertical distance? It will be 2 else. So you can find AB using Pythagorean theorem, square root of 2 power 2 plus 2 power 2. Okay? It will be square root of 4 plus 4. It will be square root of 8, which is about space units. So you will approximate the answer to nearest unit. To nearest unit. Okay, the answer will be 2.8. So 2.8 approximately will be 3. Will be 3 units. Okay, so if you want to find inclined distance, so you will need horizontal distance and vertical distance. Okay? Okay, let's go to next example. This graph, guys, you have 3 points C, D, and E. Number 1, find the distance between C and D. Okay, it's easy. What about C, D? Inclined or horizontal or vertical? Yes, good, it's inclined. How to find it? Yes, you must draw construction. Okay, from C. You can draw like this horizontal, vertical, and this one horizontal. Horizontal here is what? Is 1. But vertical is 1, 2, 3. 3. So how to find CD? Using rule, square root of 3 power 2 plus 1 power 2. 3 power 2 plus 1 power 2. It will be approximately to nearest 100. It will be 3.16. 3.16. Find the perimeter of triangle CDE. Okay. Perimeter of triangle, so you will need 3 sides. Okay. 3 sides. First one, CD, we found that, which is 3.16. And ED is a horizontal. You can find it by counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 4. But what about ED? Sorry, EC. So you can find EC using Pythagorean theorem, but draw height. It will be 3 and 3. So EC equals square root 3 power 2 plus 3 power 2. 3 power 2 plus 3 power 2. It will be 4.24. 4.24. So how to find the perimeter? 4.24 plus 4 plus 3.16. This number 2. Number 3. Point B is plotted on the coordinate plane. Okay. Above the x-axis as triangle BDE is equilateral. Is BDE is equilateral. Okay. So B maybe here, for example, here. Okay. So B will be here, for example. So I have a triangle equilateral BDE. Okay, it's easy. But how to find the coordinates of point B to the nearest hundredth? Okay. If this triangle is equilateral, so these sides will be 4, like ED. So I have 3 sides, which of them 4, 4, 4. Each of them 4 units. Okay. So I have distance, which is 4. So I can find the coordinates of B. Okay. Maybe coordinates of B, maybe 0 and A, small. For example, how to find A? Okay, it's easy. So the distance between B and D is 4. So I can say BD equal square root of A minus 1, A minus negative 1 all power 2 plus 0 minus 2 all power 2, which is equal what? Equal 4. Then you can solve it as an equation to find the value of A. Then you can find the coordinates of B. Thank you for listening and meet you after inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.